Welcome to another restoration lockdown update. And well, the big news as always is the bike. I've got the horn for it. And I'm thinking of fitting it, well, pretty soon. Maybe there or perhaps, I don't know, it's a big job. I need to take my time. Patience is everything. That's what I'm learning this week. Meanwhile, I've been making amazing progress with my Jaguar. Neil and Anthony have another update on how I've been doing there. So let's see.
Welcome to another video of the XK150. As you saw in the last video, you would have seen the engine bay was all detailed and perfect. So now she's locked away, now ready for the next step.
Special effect.
Yeah, well, we're very happy with how the bodywork's turned out, and the paintwork's all finished, bar probably a few little bits and pieces.
Lovely.
Next big thing is the trim, and I'm, well, headlining next, and I'm really
Looking forward to that.
He hates that.
I'm really looking
He
forward
hates
to
it.
that.
I can't wait.
But it'll be good.
So this will be interesting.
Well, welcome. You've joined me now in the pleasure of putting the roof line in a Richard Hammond XK150. What we're doing today now, further to this, is we're pulling and stretching the fabric over the roof bars to get these creases out. Once we stretch the fabric forward, backwards, it'll leave us lines in the roof, and then we've got to pull them over the roof bows and get them to line up and pull all the creases out, and then she'll look beautiful.
Yep.
Roof bows are actually the little guide bars that sit on these seams, which give the roof lining its actual curve, and when you pull it tight, I can't try and demonstrate,
Roof bows.
it actually holds the shape up into the roof. You've got to have the patience of a saint to do this job. Patience is the key. You've got to just take your time and just keep going and going, and when you can't take any more, go and have a cup of tea, and there'll be lots of cups of tea in this job.
Now we'll pass you over to Jonathan Skinner and he'll show you what's involved with the interior.
Are they making their own show now?
So we got the seats from Richard's car, bits of sorry state, so hopefully we can freshen those up. Obviously we make purely interior trim, so we consider ourselves somewhat the experts. This is some of our fine work.
Lovely. I like the one on the end.
So yeah, so we'll go downstairs and I'll show you the machine it's all cut on. This is the lever we're going to be using for your seats here. What we've done is we've prepped it up a little bit. It's smooth cherry red, and we've marked on the quality zones, just so we get a nice flawless cut on all of your seats and things, so you can see all the marks on the leather there. So the fully enclosed circles or squares are F zones, so it won't get used at all on there, it will avoid it in the cuts, and the ones that have partial openings to them are B zones, so they're not really good leather pieces, but they're okay for certain areas of the car where you're not really going to notice it, so they're left fully open, and it will position certain bits of leather according to that.
Cool.
And these are all of your parts. We've actually mixed your kit in with another customer's just for efficiencies.
I like efficiencies. It's
but
good.
effectively we just press a button here and it starts auto nesting everything.
Technical. Ooh.
Yeah, so around sort of 10 to 15 minutes. It depends on what you're cutting. Obviously, integral pieces, if they're small, it's going to take a lot longer. Some of the other bigger pieces are a bit quicker. You have lots of plate lines, that takes time. But it's a pretty quick machine. It's certainly quicker than doing it by hand, and a lot less error.
Oh, that's my lever. That's a bit of my car.
So, we've got a couple of bits for your seat already. Cushion surround and the backrest surround there. We'll get those upstairs, get them sewn, get them trimmed, get them back to Neil and Anthony to do the hard work.
They're making the show.
Anthony!
Thank you, Jonathan, for that, and can't wait to see the seats and get them in. But before we do any of that, obviously, he's got to finish in there.
Anthony!
Next update soon.
Tea biscuits!
Thank you. Thank you very much indeed. That's Neil and Anthony making a TV show about my car that I'm restoring, as you've seen me doing. And I'll bring you another update once I've done some more work on the car and the bike very soon.